So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen my last video about step 3 of gardening, go check that right now. And today we're going to show you step 3. And in my last video I told you we have few more plants inside. Today is a great weather, so today we're going to insert them. People are asking me, how do you put it inside? So I actually found this way. Okay, so we're gonna first start with this one. This is already kind of out. So first you're gonna push on this side, and then you're gonna tilt it and put it on this side, and then you're gonna hold this part. See this tiny part? You're gonna hold this and gently take it out. Gently, like this. And now after that, take it gently in your hands, and wherever you want to dig it, first you dig that spot and then you insert it inside. So the spot can be anywhere you want. So let's keep this right in here. So keep it really gently, and then you're gonna hold this one side, and then if you have a shovel, just put some dirt in on this, and then you can cover it. It's okay if you can use your hands too. That's okay. And make sure you press it firmly, also to make it stand straight. Okay, and now whenever you buy plants, right? They'll come with this label. So take this label and stick it wherever you want, the direction you really can see it. So I'm gonna put it right here. Like that. And now, you take your hose, okay? So people are thinking you take mist and all that, but do not use mist. Mist has really hard drops that can break the plant. So first, let's point it on shower. It's pointing at shower, okay? And now, make sure you do it very, very, very gently. Okay. Like this. Well, you can do it harder, but make sure your plant doesn't go down, or make sure your plant doesn't go any way that's slanting. So, okay. And now, take a little from here. Put it right. Make sure you do it on all directions. Should I do some this way? Make sure you do it very, very, very gently. Okay, and that's great. And so you never have to do it my way. If you have your own logic, you can definitely do it that way. Well, if some of your parts have confusing questions, you can always request for me to do this. Tell me this. Okay, so I noticed something, guys. So see this tiny white bud? So that is a flower that will turn into super chili. So all those buds that transform will actually transform into a vegetable. So now I'm going to show you what plant we're going to do next. So don't worry about the background and everything, like the noises. My neighbor's just mowing the lawn, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to do this next thing, tasted garden bell pepper. So this is bell pepper. And now the same thing we did for that plant over there. So we're gonna do one this way, one this way, Okay, so I took the plant out very gently. So, like I said, keep the hole, keep the hole when you start this. So I didn't show you the hole because we already kept it before we all put the plants in. So I'm gonna put this plant inside. So, and now push it firmly. Plant. Let's keep the same label. Took the label out, and we did this one. Sometimes you might do that because sometimes they accidentally bend the paper, so that's okay if they're bent. Okay, and now I have the holes. We're gonna do the same thing with that one, but instead do this one. Almost a shower. This is shower. Okay, then we're gonna do this side. Okay, now we're gonna try to do it on the other side. It might be hard. I did that thing. That was kind of tricky, but I still did it. So now, so all of these plants we actually had inside our house, and we wanted them to have more sunlight because it was really freezing, and now we wanted to have them good sunlight. So took all those plants from inside and we inserted them into our garden out here. So that's how we had the idea to make this whole bed. So I'm gonna give you one more thing to do. So I'm gonna tell you what plants we garden today. So we've gardened this one, and this one. I'll give you an update, guys. Bye. See ya.